Lol, are you hearing me? Huh? Are you hearing me? Okay, good. Now let's start with the game. The game that is called Identity 5. Or do you mean Identity Fraud? No, it's not Identity Fraud. It's Identity 5. Now let's play as Hunter. Now we just have to wait 1 minute. Wait lang. Okay, so we're gonna use the Reaper, Help, and Ember or Disciple. Yeah, Disciple's more good. So let's play as Disciple. Okay. So we're in Sacred Heart Hospital. Okay. There's one imposter here in Among Us. Okay. Yes, we got her. Okay, my parents now are screaming. And I'm here to kill this bitch. I have corona. Lol, who are you? Who the freak are you? Sino yun? Appreciate. Something naman. So this bitch is gonna die right now. Surface rain. Margarita. Do I have a bad voice? Yes. Margarita, so do I have a bad voice? Margarita. Tamang sikreto. Hey, you got aging. Man, who are you? Why are you in front of us? fish die right now. Hey, come here, I'm here. What the? Yan. Bagsak ko tuloy. So, andito lang yata yung dungeon, alam ko. Dungeon to yung basement ko pala. Oh my god, ang bilis niya mag-struggle.
Bilisan mo dyan, ipapanood ako sa TikTok.
No way.
Bilisan mo, wala kakatawa yung
I
Tiwater.
don't care. Oo! Ano ba yan? Bilis naman magkano na ito. Wait, naglalaro ako.
Yung pahatay! Yes, bago ka maligo, ipapanood mo.
Hindi, maliligo na ako mamaya.
Mabilis lang naman
No.
yun, diba? Third, napanood ko na sa iyo, diba? Sinabi ko pa nga eh. Anong hindi? Sinungaling ka talaga ya?
Ano ba yun?
Yung pinanood ko sa'yo kanina dito sa kwarto sa TikTok.
Ano?
Yung batang babae, yung kulot buhok.
Umas na ako.
Umalis. Kung napakasinungaling mo sa'yo, screenshot mo yung kanina.
Oo, kita.
Eto guys.
Ano?
Jack! Kunin mo Huawei mo. Mapanood ako sa'yo. Bilisan mo. Nakakatawa yung sa TikTok siya, ipalit mo sa... Type ko yung kanina sa kanya, yung mayroon sa ulo na. Ulit sa'yo, ganyan. Ano ka sa TikTok?
Paras pa nakatakas, nakakasal naman. Hindi ko ito yung mapopost to.
Taas ka. Kapag meron ka na nakitang ano, batang babae. Ito to.